Hello everyone and welcome to Cat Mountain. Today we are going to be riding the trails out here, previewing them in a downhill course preview format, one trail at a time. Hopefully get you ready for your next ride at Cat Mountain or your next race. Now without further ado, let's get to riding. All right, this time we're about to do double black cat. We'll be following Seth down. Got a smaller crew this time following back. Let's get it going. All right, so come in with some speed, kind of hold up, shoot down. Make sure you're going straight, make that corner. Come on in, shoot straight over to the left, cut right. Little drop there. Now as it go into a G out, I like to stay left. Soak that up. Get on the pedals. From here, watch both your bars. Now, life's a little steep. Needs some cleanup. Drop off there.